we are going to put those three pieces we did yesterday on here. And I got to finish one of the headlights, restoring it for Krampus. We're going to swap out the headlights, and we're going to swap the bumper and the fenders, because I want to do a whole deal with this. So stay tuned.
I'd like to apologize. At this point on, I have no mic. Did not realize it.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired.
In this part of the video, I'll be removing the plastic clips that run along the top of the bumper.
Shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great.
I decided to jack the car up and take the wheels off, for easier access to the inner fender and more room to work.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?
At this point, I start removing the plastic clips that hold the inner fender in.
What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Here I am pointing out all the locations of the clips I removed.
And do you believe we can do anything? What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
This is the plug for the ABS. Some Magnums have it, some don't. The reason I say that is Krampus does not have them. As you can see in the video, there is a little spring clip that locks the plug in, Drauger being an all-wheel drive Magnum. Has factory mud flaps. A few screws and they come off, where the bumper meets the fender. There is two 10mm bolts that you have to take off, and a clip or two.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making
Here in this scene is the two 10mm bolts that I was talking about earlier.
I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when
I am now unplugging the wires going to the fog light.
and now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude, crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Now that I have the front bumper off. You can't per se see in the video, but I am pointing out the LEDs that I have wired in. I'm going to leave them for the time being. My plan is to remove them and install some better LEDs in the future. Once I get done repairing and customizing the front bumper,
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the noose and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. Ha, I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, I know, see you later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter. Scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go
now that I have passenger fender off. As you can see in this clip, this is why these cars rust here. Even though I have mud flaps and full inner fenders, dirt and debris still get inside them. Here, as you can see, is why I am taking the fender off. My plan is to work the sheet metal and straighten out the body damage.
Another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
Pulling the driver's fender off. You can barely see. But there is a couple of small dents that I have to work out.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the...
Here is a short picture montage with more video following.
So you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your fucking cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. Bitch, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
I really hate that my mic quit working without me knowing. Truly sorry for that. Here I removed the Dodge emblem along with the fog lights. There are 3 clips each per fog light that have to be removed. Next, we are going to reinstall the RT grille and fog lights into Krampus's front bumper.
Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Here I was just talking about the difference between RT and a V6 front bumper. Both bumpers have or should have fog light mounting holes. The only difference is the cover on the front. The V6 front covers does not have the holes for the fog lights. The RT fog light covers have the holes molded in.
Please say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Here we are installing what is left of the splash shield. Unfortunately, neither Magnum has the full shield. In fact, Draga didn't come with any of the splash shield. These 2 pieces, one on each side, is all that Krampus came with.
Tell me that I can.